Thanks for tuning back in. This is Ameya Dabolkar from Exploring Excel. You can email me at exploringofficeexcel@gmail.com. This is video number 38, Workday Function. Okay, you can download this workbook and follow along for free. The workbook name is Workdays and networkdays.xlxs from the Dropbox folder. Link is below the description. Now this time there is a 4 series like Workday function, Workday initial intl function, network days function and network days.intl functions. The 4 functions I will going to say you about Workday and network days. Now this time I am going to show you what does a Workday function does. Okay, so now let's get started. What do you mean by the Workday function? To calculate to calculate number of working days from the start date and the number of days with the holidays and the weekdays. The weekend assumed here are Saturday and Sunday. This is a very important point to be noted. What is the difference between the workday and the net workday INTL? We'll understand you like it is a difference between the weekend. Here it is a here it is a fixed weekend, and in this function workday INTL, which is on the sheet 2, we can customize our weekend. So let's go to the example one, but before that I will show the syntax for the same. We have to first type equals to workday function tab. You can just see here the control tip text. Workday function returns the serial number of the date before or after the specified number of work days. It will enter the last number of working day. You can press the tab key. I will press Control Shift and A key to see all the arguments. We'll put a small this, and this is all your syntax about. Then going to the example one. I have a start date, I have an days, and I want to find out the work day. Here holidays parentheses is inside a parenthesis, so it is an optional argument. If you need it, you can use it. I will just type equals to workday function. Starting day, I will enter my starting day, that is 1/1 of 2014. Then my number of days, that is 10, and close. Now why it gave me 15th of the 1 2014? If you simply add 1/1/2014 plus 10, it will give you 10 or 11/1/2014. Now why it gave you 15/1/2014? You can see inside a calendar, the Saturday and the Sunday are considered as a weekend. So these are deducted. So their total working days, last working day will be 15th of the 1 2014. 15th of the 1 2014. So it will be the last working day, because in this period it consists of the Saturday and Sunday too, which more adds here, and the last working day is 15th of the 1st 2014. The same thing you can do with the holidays. I am writing the same function workday, and the same things, that start date and the days are the same, but instead now I will have holidays too. The starting day is this 1 of the 1 2014 comma 10 days, and now holidays. Holidays are defined as an array of operation. You can select as many type of array. You don't need to press any Control Shift or Enter. You can select as many arguments across or below. I will just close it and press Enter. You get 21 of the 1 2014. Now how did you get this answer? If you see 15th, because of the Saturday and Sunday. If you just add 4 to this, it will come 16, 17, 18 and 19. But how you get this 21? It again assumes that between there are Saturday and Sunday, which will be subtracted, and now you will get 21, means the 2 more days are getting added. Now these holidays would increase the last working day. It's true, these holidays would increase. You can just simply change here, like if you have 15 days, you can see it is changing to the 28th of the 1st 2014, from 21 to 15, from 21 to 28 is going. It's a very powerful function known as a workday function. The next three functions, workday, network days, and network days on INTL, are more interesting functions too. Now the last one is the same function, the same starting date, the same days. I will just type the workday function. Now the starting date will be this, number of days will be this, now the holidays would be this. I am getting the same answer as this, but consistency, there are more number of holidays here. How I am getting the same answer here? This is because these holidays are not inside our range. The same holidays I have just copied it here, and I have just added 3 of the new holidays. One of the 2013, not from below of the starting date. Also 23rd of the 1st 2014, away from the holiday. 6th of the 6th 2015, a 1 year away from our holiday. So these yellow color cells are omitted because they are below or the away from the starting date or our ending date. Alright, thanks for watching. Watch our next video. This is on workdays.intl. Have a great day.